Fella called me up the other day. He wanted to know, why do I need a probate? My mom died. I'm her only kid. Why do I have to get a lawyer involved at all? And I blame it all on Pebbles Flintstone. When she was a baby, the TV show was on the air and it was just fine. But as she got older, it became pretty clear that she was a horrible person. And that's why they had to cancel the show. Listen to one of the things she did. She goes to the bank one day, makes a big deal. Daddy's dead. Give me all of his money. And because this is prehistoric times, the people in the bank went to the vault, got Daddy's money, and gave it to him. They were shocked that Fred was dead. They saw him every other week when he came to deposit his paycheck. He looked completely and totally healthy, but here was Pebbles saying he was dead. So they gave him the money, gave her the money. And of course, a couple of days later, payday, Fred shows up at the bank to deposit his check. He was not dead at all. You think the bank was in trouble? Better believe it. And that's one of the reasons why we have to do probate. Another reason why we have to do probate is, in addition to proving that the person really is dead, we've got to be able to prove that the heirs really are the heirs. And then there is one third thing that needs to be proven. Tell you a story about Barney. Barney went to the doctor, and the doctor said to him, Barney, you've got 6 months to live. So Barney decided if that was the case, he was going to have some fun. And he went out and charged up all of his credit cards. He went to a fancy car dealership and borrowed a ton of money to buy a brand spanking new fancy car. 6 months later, he dies, and he owes money to practically everybody in town. But he does have $900 in his bank account. Who gets that $900? Well, here's how it works. Barney's heirs are not responsible for Barney's debts. However, Barney's stuff has to be used to pay Barney's debts before any of his heirs can get anything. In Barney's case, he owed a bunch more than $900. So the $900 in the bank account did not go to his heirs. It went to his creditors. And those are the three reasons why it's got to do a probate. Got to prove you're really dead. Got to prove the heirs really are the heirs. And you got to prove that all of the person who has died's debts get paid. But here's the good news. You've probably heard that Louisiana law is a little bit different than the other 49 states. And in Louisiana, if you have done your planning in advance, and if you've got your legal documents that talk about exactly what you want to have happen to your stuff when you die, then probate in Louisiana is a lot easier than it is in other states.